to Precious Job and Teen is Awesome, and I'm Shiloh, and I will be joined with my lovely sister.
Shiena loves amazing unicorns, and I'm Shiena, obviously.
And so I will put her YouTube channel down in the description, so go check that out. So Shiena, tell them what we'll be needing.
So the things we'll be needing will be nature items like leaves, sticks, petals, and etc. Some hot glue.
Be very careful with the hot glue. You might need some adult assistant with that.
Some scissors.
Also might need adult assistance.
Yeah. Cardboard. Pens and pencils and an eraser to draw and outline.
And the cardboard is going to be used to cut out some cardboard eggs. Okay, and this is a very good activity because you can go outside and look for some nature items and just just enjoy the outdoors. And you could also just use any cardboard box lying around and just cut some pieces up, and then you can make some eggs out of it. Anyway, let's move on to the next step. Let's go.
So the next step will be cutting out the cardboard into a Easter egg. So I'm going to be cutting them.
And remember, when you're using scissors, be very careful, and you might need some adult assistance with this part, just for safety. But the rest of the bits is really fun, but you also will need adult assistance with it. And it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like an egg shape afterwards. A cardboard little 2D egg shape.
I'm almost done cutting this.
Almost done.
Almost done. And done. So
that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, now let's move on to the next step.
Let's go.
So we're here to the next step, and we're gonna be hot gluing on some things. We did a pre-made one just to show you how it will turn out. So this is what it looked like before, and then it's gonna look like this afterwards.
Sort of like that.
Well, sort of like this. You might want to use some other leaves or stuff, but it's really cool because it looks like really nature. You can hide it outside, and it's gonna be so cool. Okay, so Shiena is gonna do an example for you, and so will I. It's okay, Shiena, it's okay. Just be careful next time. Like that? You want it like that? Just be careful. Be careful.
Because I got burned.
Be very careful when you're working hot glue gun. You might want a parent or a guardian in the room while you're doing this part, because just because it gets a little, you could burn yourself, and
like I did.
Shiena burned herself, yes. Okay, my turn.
And here's mine. Petal. Okay, your turn. It's not that good, but it's petal.
So this is not one, this is mine. Okay, let's do it.
So, I'm going to go for the petal as well, petals. So we're going to start with the bottom. Let's put some big ones. Can I run this under cold water? Yes, go. Petals. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh, it looks pretty. Okay, let's go under here. Let's put up the smaller one. Not that small, but smaller.
this on time lapse.
I don't. Shiena, move. You're in my video is still playing.
Wait, this is taking long, but that's fine. It's okay, I can speed it up anyway. Make it
But that's fun.
And this is my finished product. It looks super cool, and it's like a really nice flower. It's super cute. I love it.
Like
And we're just gonna do that to the rest of your eggs.
eggs.
So yeah, we'll see you later.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
What?
okay. Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing. This is really good. Looks nice. These ones, hey. Can we eat this one?
Don't you underestimate me. All I know is I won't go speechless. Is I won't go speechless. Speechless. I was like, why is it just playing that music? That doesn't sound like a whole new world. Not to me. Nope.
A magic carpet?
Do you trust me? What did you say? Do you trust me? Yes. Yes. Yes.
How is this?
And we're back from hot gluing. So these are the ones that we finished, including these. These are just some two that we both really like that we made. So Shiena, show them.
So I have this first one is like this leaf one that I really like.
Something like this too.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Like that. And I have this stick one that I made, which is supposed to be like a unicorn.
Great. Okay, so these are the ones I made. I made this cool little stick one. I think it's cool at least. And this other leaf one, and I really like them. And see, like, it's super fun and like super engaging. It may take time and you might burn yourself a lot, but it was worth it. Like, look at these. They're so awesome and cool. We'll hold up a few of them for you.
Like these ones.
So cool. These ones, they're amazing and they're just great. You can hide them outside and then like write some stuff on the back, like did you find something up like a prize? But yeah, just like make them for fun if you want, and they're just great, right?
Yeah. You can always reuse them for next Easter.
Yeah, and we've still got a giant box to make some other crafts.
Yeah.
And lots of rubbish on the inside. Just a sneak peek. Okay. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And remember to do the same to my sister's channel, which will be put in the description down below. Love you guys. Bye.
I can't wait to go home.